Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today we learn numbers. Kids class name. Blue color, red color, brown color, yellow color, green color, black color. Kids, now we coloring numbers. Kids, first we draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use blue color. O-N-E 1. Kids, again use blue color and draw 2. T-W or 2. Kids, now you draw 3. The numbers of 3 and use red color. T-H-R-E 3. Kids, again use red color and draw 4. 5 and again use red color. Kids, now you draw 6. The numbers of 6 and use brown color. Kids, now you draw 7 and again use brown color. Kids, now you draw 8. The numbers of 8 and use yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw 9. Kids, now you draw 10 and again use yellow color. Kids, now you draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use green color. Kids, again use green color and draw 12. The numbers of 12. Kids, now you draw 13. The numbers of 13 and use black color. Kids, again use black color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. Kids, now you draw 15. The numbers of 15 and again use black color. Kids, now you draw 16. The numbers of 16 and use blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw 70. The numbers of 70. Kids, now you draw 80. The numbers of 80 and use red color. Kids again use red color and draw 90. The numbers of 90. Kids now draw 20. The numbers of 20. And again use red color. Red color. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.